I'm just a broken man now. Will you hold out for me? Put your arms around me. Have mercy on this skin and these bones. Yeah, I'll be coming home. And I'll be on my knees. And I just wanna know.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Hers and His Adventures in California. We are here at Sherman Island. This is actually our first time here, and hopefully this time we can get some keepers.
Now, we did have a subscriber to suggest to move from Sacramento to get closer to the bays, perhaps to get in front of the striper run. So outside of that, yeah, like Leah said, hopefully we can get on something here. And if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. Let's fish. As far as I wanted. Okay, on this pull, we got another Carolina rig, 3-ounce weight, about a 2-foot leader line, nice piece of anchovy. So we have sardines on one of them, and we're gonna put a larger frozen sardine on another one later. All these rocks are really slippery.
Not only that, if we get a bite. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, I know. Not sure. Yeah, I might pull it in and check it here in a moment. Just give it a couple seconds for a bite. Okay, we got shrimp on this one. Cast this back out. That's what they were just biting on too. Not quite as far as I wanted, but we'll deal with that. Okay, this is Richard. He just caught, his wife actually, just caught a little striper here. So we've been getting a few bites here and there.
I don't know how big he is.
Oh, not big enough.
That looks like a 12.
Yeah, something
Well,
too
they
small.
out there, so.
There you go.
What a daddy.
Yeah. Okay, now we're throwing out a sardine, frozen sardine. It's half a sardine. These things are huge. Not as far as I wanted. Okay, Leah thinks she's got a striper on or something. I'm not sure what this bait is. This, I think, is an anchovy. Yeah, a little striper. Oh, a real small guy.
Ooh.
Okay, sadly, people, this one swallowed it. We've had such a good record with them not swallowing it. He is not going to survive, but he'll be food for something else. It's horrible. I hate when that happens. Poor guy. Was just getting bites here. There it goes right there. Missed it though. Wasn't a strong bite, just a little bit of a tug. And I think we got, there it goes, an anchovy on this one. Maybe. We might have caught that one. Oh no, we got a snag though, I'll tell you that much. That's not good. Jesus, how does a fish turn into a snag? Tell me, people. How does a fish turn into a snag? Okay, well, what we'll do is we'll let it loose. Hopefully the fish is on there and hopefully it will swim out. It's about the only hope we got outside of losing the rig setup. See if we feel any more pulls. Hopefully it's still on there. Okay, I think I broke it free, but I don't know if there's a fish on there. Nope. I lost the hook and everything from the snag. Figures that's like our 4th snag today. Lost 2 complete rig setups.
Not so far.
No. And I'm in no position right now. I'm getting bites. Okay, I doubt it, people, but we may have one on. I seriously have my doubts, but I did set hook during a bite twice, I think, so we'll see. If so, I don't feel much weight right now. And again, these rocks I'm on are super slippery. Oh no, I missed it, people. I missed it. See, if y'all subscribers were here with me, you could have helped me catch that fish. But no, you're sitting there watching it. There you go. Did a number on the anchovy though. Okay, these things are as wet as mucus, I'll tell you. Oh, those are treacherous. Getting little pulls here, people. Hope they didn't get the bait already. Come on, buddy. Oh, I get the camera rolling and they stop. I should have left the line out there more. Okay, something, it's small if it's anything on there. And it feels like there's some additional weight, so it's getting closer. I got a feeling there's something on there. Oh man. Oh, Jesus. Okay, there we go. This is horrible. There's supposed to be bigger ones here, but at least it's something. Okay. Okay, people, I just want to show you the Carolina rig sardine setup. About 1 3/4 liter line. Nice piece of sardine. It's about half of it. So definitely one of the bigger chunks of bait we use. We had it cast out before and it only got like 1 or 2 bites, so we'll see. You still be on? I had to create slack for a moment. We might have fish on. If so, I'm not feeling much fight, so there should be one there. Oh God, yeah. I'm sorry, people, but they're not biting on the shad or the sardines very much, and the sardines a big bait. We got a big hook on there. Okay, there you go. The tune of the day. Also, for the record, we're on incoming tide. Okay, get casted back out here. Yeah, it's beginning to feel like some of the other spots we were fishing were actually pulling up bigger stripers, be it them shakers or not. Just need a big one to come in and take it. Oh, there's a pull. There's a pull. Ah, I wasn't quite prepared. Not sure if I got that one. Come on, give us a sign. There we go. There we go. Okay, that might be one on again. But if it is, once again, it feels small. I'm not feeling no fight. A little bit of fight now by shore, but I think it's small. Okay, should be coming up here soon. Oh, ouch. What a horrible way to go back. Leia got a snag. She's trying to free a snag. That's not good. We've already lost like 4 or 5 rig setups. Okay, now get that big chunk of sardine casted out. Never realized those things were so big. Oh, getting a bite on the other pole. I think Leia's getting to it. Should have tried to cast further on that one. We'll get a bell on this, see if we can get a bite. Okay, we had a few bites on this sardine, so I'm going to reel this one in and check it. I'm praying we don't have another rock snag, which there's been a lot of today. No, not rocks, but I'm pretty sure we got weeds. This is extremely hard to reel in. I wish we'd get lucky and have a fish on, because that would be a big fish. I think we got weeds. Yeah, just lots of weeds. Okay, everybody, sorry, I got the sun in my eyes. We'd like to thank you for joining us today. Again, you know, we have no say-so over the fish. We tried some various things this time. We tried the sardines, which we've never used before. A really big bait. We used whole sardine, half sardine, bigger hooks for them.
Shrimp.
Heavier test, shrimp. By the way, we did get a bite or two on the shrimp, nothing thereafter. Most of the bites were on the anchovies, and again, it was back to small ones. We doubled up on some of the anchovies, still didn't help. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that Antioch Pier fishing video. A little bit more action on that one.
Yeah, so actually this area is not my favorite. There's a lot of snags. Total, I think we lost like 5 setups. So yeah, so it's just gonna call it a day.
As a matter of fact, the guy, Richard, the subscriber that you guys seen briefly here, they left because of the same reason. They said they lost too many rig setups, couldn't deal with it.
Yeah.
But if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe, as always, and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. We appreciate your attention. We appreciate your time. We hope you enjoy.
Thank you.